Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Coffee Run Live, episode 496. Hope you're all doing fabulously well on this very lovely Monday. I know a bunch of you are having and experiencing public holidays today. We are experiencing here in Victoria, regional Victoria, we've got the first day back of school of term 4. It's completely ridiculous. And my house is empty. I've got some builders here, but other than that, there's no kids, there's no husband, there's animals afoot everywhere. So it's really, really weird. So I'm just going to come to you really quickly today. And I wanted to just talk to you briefly a little bit about, I guess, kind of going all in and really giving it your all. There are days where you are not going to feel it, right? There are days where you might get triggered by other people. I'm just going to shift my camera. Hang on a second. This is annoying me. Here we go. Let's move to the beach. I'm going to move to the beach this morning because I feel like that is a bit more of what's needed, and I can't turn my camera, so we're going to go like that. I'm going to get a little bit comfy. So here is the thing that can happen, and something that a lot of people have experienced, and I know it's something that I do at different times. Over the weekend, I've been feeling a bit funny today, so a bit disjointed, but you'll roll with me. I know that the message that you'll get from me today is whatever it is that needs to come through. So over the weekend, good morning, Kate. I saw a post that was put up by somebody else that I was very, very happy for them with goals that they've hit, huge milestones that they've hit. And I'm like, yeah, that's really awesome. And one of the things that came hurtling towards me is, wow, like that's really awesome. And why have I not been able to do that yet? So that people will have different ways of framing their worlds, right? And so one of them can often be, well, what do they know that I don't? What have they got that I don't have? What are they doing that I'm not doing? They're generally like the three things. So what do they have that I don't have? What are they doing that I'm not doing? What do they know that I don't know? And for me, it was like the golden trifecta over the weekend. And I'm just like, oh my God, man, for fuck's sake. These are huge goals, right? And I'm very grateful for everything that I'm doing. And, it's all well and good, but there's always these kind of like new heights, new goals, new things to hit. And it was really kind of curious. I'm like, right, well, because my first thing is, that's really awesome for them. But I had this moment, if I'm completely honest with you, I had this moment of just like, and maybe you've experienced this as well, of like, kind of like not for very long, but almost like pure, unadulterated, whatever that word is, almost just like, not jealousy, but kind of like just envy, like how did they manage to be able to do that so quickly? And I know that this is what a lot of people experience when you're looking at other people in your industry, right? You guys probably see it as well. There's like these people that achieve the overnight success, and we all know logically that that's not actually what's happened because, that's just not reality. But it was really kind of interesting for me to still get triggered. So what's more interesting for me is to kind of go, okay, so what's the learning here? And this is the type of thing that we've got to get more resilient around, because if you are going to get out there and if you are going to give it your all, you are going to come across things. Hey, Linda, you're going to come across things and people and events, time, places, people, events that will trigger you. And it's more of it's got nothing to do with the other person, right? It's got absolutely nothing to do with the person who's triggered you, and it's got everything to do with you and what you're making that mean, or what you're making that mean about yourself, or whatever the case might be. So the big thing that I wanted to let you know today is that if you are out there and you're giving it your all and you are trying to take actions in order to get you up to this next level, then there are going to be things that are going to piss you off. I just think that that's part of human nature and part of par for the course, really, is that there are going to be things that kind of make you go, well, that's a bit shit. Or, oh, wow, that's really awesome. That's really amazing. Now, that doesn't detract from the awesomeness that other people are doing. And I think this is the key, right? That it's not about not wanting everybody to benefit, because I know personally, oh, thank you, Bella. I personally know that if the more people who are thriving, the more people who are out there doing more good in the world, the better we all are. Right? If we can heal ourselves, if we can heal our traumas, if we can raise our frequency, then that in turn raises the frequency of the collective frequency. And then that in turn increases the Earth's frequency, and then that increases the healing of the planet. And I think that's actually really important. So the thing to come back to though is, all right, so why did this trigger me? And then going through and turning it around and looking for what the lesson is in there, what the insight in there, what the meaning is in there, and doing that. And sometimes it's just like, it can be a bit of a slap in the face, right? Come on, girlfriend, get out of your own damn way. This is ridiculous. Other times it can be like, wow, if you know that if they're doing more action than you, and maybe you haven't been doing action, then maybe that's the mirror there. Maybe that's the thing that you're to look at and go, well, maybe I can actually go more all in. Maybe I could actually pull my finger out even more. Maybe I could do more. And it's not about working more hours unless you're, completely just like not doing anything at all. And none of us are, because that's not who we are. Oh, thanks, Bella. I'm glad that that's resonating. So that's that. Going all in. Notice your triggers. And then something that I would do is something that I do regularly, probably weekly actually, is I'll sit down and it's like, all right, well, what do I need to tweak, adjust, change? What do I need to amp up? What do I need to pull back on? What do I need to accelerate? What do I need to amplify? Do I need to put more concerted effort in here and then less in over here? And who do I need around me? Hi, Evie. Who do I need around me in order to bring all of this stuff to life and to make all of this stuff happen? So that's that. Now, so any questions on that, make sure you let me know. But what I wanted to share with you before I set you free is the unboxing of the amazing goodness that is my Planet Like a Boss planner. Are you guys ready? Are you so ready for this? You're ready for this? I'm just going to turn my camera around. Let's see if I can, look at my messy desk. Sorry about that. Not really sorry. You guys know I'm not really sorry. All right, so I'm going to get that there. That journal and coffee and all sorts of things. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this? Let's see. Very excited. Oh, no. Ooh, Planet Like a Boss. We've got all of the planner action happening in here. I am so excited. You guys see that? Where did that go? Oh, yes. Take a moment to celebrate your badassery. Planning it like a boss. I am so excited to have those here. So I haven't got any of these out yet. I haven't even got an order form ready yet. Oh my gosh, could we have a worse angle? Probably could have had a worse angle, but we do not. So I just wanted to share that with you today and share the excitement that is my new planner. So much fun. Cool beans. All right, everybody, I am going to love you and leave you. Have a rocking, fabulous, awesome, and amazing day. And of course, I will see you tomorrow, if not before. Bye.